Hello, lovely people. Welcome to our channel Travel Postcards, and this vlog is about our trip to Fazlani Nature's Nest. Weekends or long weekends around the corner, and you're looking for a perfect resort to visit near Mumbai, we would suggest you one. So here we were off to our weekend stay, a 2.5 hour drive from Mumbai. Perfect season complemented our drive, witnessing the rains, the clouds, and the greenery. Such a charm it was. We reached Fazlani Nature's Nest at Takwe near Lonavala. This place has a huge parking area and a very spacious lobby. We got a very warm welcome here by the staff, along with some welcome drinks. From the lobby, we took a buggy ride towards our room. This property is really huge, and certainly the buggy ride gives you a beautiful tour of the property. Here they are, our beautiful rooms. I simply love their rooms, simple yet elegant. After freshening up, we then headed for our high tea. And oh wow, it started drizzling. It was just the perfect weather to enjoy our chai with some cookies. Overlooking the lake and the clouds, this was so serene. The chai surely was an energy booster. We were all pepped up. We then headed towards the guided tour of the farm. They have a gorgeous widespread farm, and for a plant lover like me, this indeed was a treat. The organic plantation has all types of vegetables and fruits: papaya, chilies, cauliflower, strawberries, sugarcane, chikus, coriander, bananas, coconuts, corn. You name it and they have it. The food that you eat here is directly sourced from their farm. All the vegetables and fruits, just imagine, fresh, from the farm to your table. After that lovely stroll, we wanted to explore the other side of the property, the pool side. They have this beautiful sun deck overlooking the lake, and one can spend some lovely time with this view here. The best part I loved about this property is the beautiful landscaping done here. They have various activities for kids at their activity house, pottery being one. Dip in this cute little pool here and enjoy this view to your heart's content. After enjoying the blissful walks and the stroll, it was time for dinner. खाना इतना खा लिया, अब चलना तो पड़ेगा. So before winding up for the day, we took a stroll and we did some serious moon gazing there. As excited I was about the night, so was I for the next morning. The grey sky filled with clouds just gave a cozy touch to the weather. Such a fresh morning. You can enjoy these tandem bicycles with your family here. A super fun thing to do, especially with kids. After a morning walk and cycling, it was time for breakfast, and we were super hungry. The restaurant had a huge spread, right from live egg station to Indian and continental food. We ate to our heart's content. Now we are heading to my most favorite part, the Stallion Castle. There are some super fab horses of various breeds here, a total delight for all horse lovers. The horses are very well kept and looked after. The stable is huge, and the owner of this resort is a total passionate horse lover. He's even adopted few horses which are barred from the race courses in circumstances that they turn old or weak. Looking at those gorgeous horses, I was all tempted for a horse ride now. And look at the horse walking so graciously. As it had rained already, the racecourse was all muddy, and we preferred to take the horse ride at the property itself. Talking so much about the stable, and not to forget the grandstand. The decor here reminded me of the cowboy setup. The decor items made of horseshoe, the cowboy shoes and guns. Ooh, everything set up in such an elegant manner. After all the activities, spa experience to banta hai. So we straightly headed towards the spa for a rejuvenating massage. After the relaxing massage, we had some lunch and then rested for a while. In the early evenings, we came out to take a stroll. Looking at the lush green grass was so soothing to our eyes. Further, we explored all the lovely birds at the resort, and look at the first bird we spot, the beautiful peacock. They say, "Jungle में मोर नाचा, किसने देखा? हमने तो इसे resort में नाचते हुए देखा." Oh wow, what a timing it was! It started drizzling. The peacock just spread its feathers and danced for us. It was such a camera-friendly peacock that it allowed us to take so many pictures of it dancing. Other than the peacock, there are various kinds of birds here, like turkeys, ducks, different types of parrots. This section is a super hit with kids. As the evening came to an end, we captured all the memories into our camera. They have so many gorgeous spots to create lovely pictures. You need to visit this place truly to witness its beauty. The best time to visit Fazlani Nature's Nest would be rainy season and winters. You can thoroughly enjoy the weather during these times. Taking your leave and see you all soon in another vlog. Do like, share and subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to hit the bell icon. Thank you.